Mr. Allen here for our golden ticket assembly. As you can see, yes, it is also Red Nose Day. It is Friday, the 17th of March, 2023, and we're here to celebrate all those children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2, and the SRB who've earned themselves a golden ticket this week. So well done to all of those children, and thank you to all of you. Today, Red Nose Day, our buckets were overfilling with all of your pocket money, all your saved up money, all your coins. So thank you so much for such a worthy cause. You're not going to see a great deal of me today. You're just going to see amazing children winning golden tickets. So we start off this morning in nursery. In nursery, you have this child is always smiling and they're a brilliant friend. They're very independent and can put on their coat and zip it up. Amazing. They join in with singing and take part enthusiastically in all activities. They're a pleasure to have it in the nursery class. They certainly are. And this child is kind and caring, and she has really helped some of the new children to settle in. This child is chatty and friendly and tries their best at everything. They like to do things independently and are working to be able to write their name and sounds we learn each week. We love seeing this child in nursery every day. We certainly do. And both children are really smiley. The golden tickets go to Gabby and Ciara. Well done, Gabby. Well done, Ciara. Look at those big smiles. You should be smiling now. Miss Jordan is so pleased with you guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You absolute superstars. Well done. On to reception, and Miss McTavish says, this week's winner has loved exploring the classroom this week and has been working hard in all our carpet sessions. She's been enthusiastic in her learning, and it's been lovely to see how proud she is when she's accomplished something. It is amazing. Keep up the great work. Indeed, our golden ticket goes to none other than Graceling. Look at Grace. What a smile, Grace. She just makes me smile. Amazing. Well done, hon. You've won the golden ticket, you superstar. Really well done. I know you will be really pleased with that. So well done. Keep up that hard work and enjoy taking your golden ticket home today, you superstar. On to Miss Ruffle says, this child has settled into reception and is chatty and friendly. She's interested in lots of subjects, but has been working particularly hard on her phonics and is reading and blending more and more confidently. That's exactly it. Absolutely. Keep learning your phonics. Keep learning. It just help you with your reading. Well done to none other than Moana. Well done, Moana. Yes, look, that little look there at what's been written about you. Absolutely, Moana. Really well done. Keep learning your sounds and you'll get better and better at your reading. So super job. Really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you. You superstar. Well done. On to year 1, and Mr. Pinner says our winner this week has been putting lots of effort into class and does not give up even when the tasks are tricky. Amazing. She's not afraid to put her hand up to ask for help and always listens to the advice the adults give her. She has been really working on her listening on the carpet and has been winning merit and Easter egg raffle tickets. Well done. You know, those raffle tickets you can't buy. She's also been trying to improve her handwriting so that she can win the Mr. Allen golden pencil. She thoroughly deserves this week's golden ticket. Golden ticket goes to, come on, Willow. There she is. Look at that beautiful smile. Well done, Willow. Following in your sister's footsteps. Really well done. You've got the golden ticket, superstar. Enjoy taking it home this weekend. Well done. On to Mr. Ackerman. Mr. Ackerman says, the winner in 1RA golden ticket winner is a super example for others. Absolutely. Talk about a perfect role model. They listen beautifully during whole class learning and are always enthusiastic, contribute to discussions. They're a very kind and caring member of the class and they treat others considerately. Their hard work has helped them to make good progress with their learning and they now read regularly at home. They enter the classroom in the mornings with a smile on their face and they always try their best with all of their learning. They certainly do. Golden ticket goes to Maria. Well done, Maria. You superstar. And there you are, Mr. Allen's golden pencil. Because you do some amazing sentences. So really well done. You've been working so hard. Really well-deserved golden ticket. Enjoy taking it home today. You absolute superstar. Well done. On to year 2, and Miss Begum says, this child is always one of the first to be focused on the carpet, ready for their learning. They demonstrate whole body listening and are keen to share their answers. They work well with a partner and is helpful towards their friends. They read lots at home and love to do extra work, like writing stories and doing more maths, even more at home. It's amazing. Golden tickets goes to, come on, Zara. Well done, Zara. You absolutely, look at those beautiful smiles. You should be smiling. You've won the golden ticket, you superstar. Really well done. On to Miss Hall says, this child has been working hard, particularly on her writing. She's remembering to use capital letters, finger spaces and full stops in her work. She's trying to make it as neat as possible too. She certainly is. Well done to none other than Matilda! Well done, Matilda, you absolute superstar. Keep working on your writing. That is so good to hear. Really pleased for you. Well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today. You absolute superstar. Really, really well done. Finally, this morning in the SRB, Miss Hardman says, this week the winner has been working their socks off to produce some amazing writing. They've been working independently and using their brilliant phonics skills. We've been impressed by how focused they are when they are working. They really are. Golden ticket goes to Jacob! Well done, Jacob. Look, excellent phonics, amazing writer, really focused. So really well done. Well-deserved golden ticket. I know your brother is going to be really pleased for you as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home, you superstar. Well done. What an amazing amount of children who have won their golden ticket this week. They have been amazing, and all those wonderful things said about all of them. Thank you so much. Final thank you just this morning, though, from Mr. Allen to all of you out there. Parents, just thank you for all of your support throughout this week. It is much appreciated. So thank you very much throughout this. I know it's been a disrupted week, but thank you ever so much for all of your kind words and all of your support throughout this whole process. So thank you ever so much, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.